Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to solve one numerical problem related to simple pipe flow. The given question is, two pipes have a length L, each one of them has diameter D2 and the other diameter D1. If the pipe are arranged in parallel, the loss of head when a total quantity of water Q flow through them is H1. If the pipes are arranged in series and the same quantity of Q flow through them, the loss of head is H2. If D2 is equal to D1 by 2, find the ratio of H1 to H2, neglecting minor losses and assuming same F. So let's start the question with solution. In the solution, let's draw the figure as per the question. This one is the pipe and it is diverted into two direction. And again it combines to the same. The flow occurs from here as Q, and this one is the Q1 and this 2 is the Q2. Now let's start with the given question and its condition. The first condition is when the pipes are in parallel, that is D2 equals D1 is divided by D2, that is H1 equals HF1 equals HF2, where H1 equals 8FLQ1 square is divided by pi G D1 F. This equation is pi square equals 8FL Q2 square is divided by pi square G D2 power 5. Now this one is simplified by Q1 square by D1 power 5 equals Q2 square is divided by D1 by 2 power 5, where Q2 equals D1 by 2 or Q1 square by Q2 square equals D1 by 5, D1 by 5 times of 32, that is Q1 becomes the 5.66 Q2 on solving this whole equation. Now Q equals Q1 plus Q2 as per the given condition, which is this can be written as the value of Q1 is 5.66 Q2 plus Q2 equals 6.66 Q2. Q equals 666 Q2, or Q2 is equal to 1 by 6.66 Q, that is Q2 is equal to 0.1501 Q. Now substituting the value of Q2 in this equation. Now substituting the value of this Q2 on this, that is Q1 equals 5.66 into 0.1501. Q1 is equal to Q equals 0.849 Q. Now when pipes are in series, the figure form will be like this. This one is the flow of Q and this one is the flow of Q, where S2 equals HF1 equals HF2. This can be written as 8FLQ1 square is divided by pi square G D1 power 5 plus 8FLQ2 square is divided by pi square G D2 power 5 is equals H1Q square is divided by Q1 square plus H1Q square is divided by Q2 square. On solving this, we'll get H1Q square as common times of 1 by Q1 square plus 1 by Q2 square equals H1Q square is common and 1 by 0.85 Q whole square plus 1 by 0.15 Q whole square. On solving this, H2 equals H1 times of 45.8, that is H1 by H2 equals 1 by 45.8 is the final ratio required. So for this time we end up the solution. We'll come again with one new video. Till then, keep on watching our channel and don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you.